What happens if you drink too much water? Can something that's supposed to keep you alive actually kill you? Think about it. You can survive for weeks without food, but without water, only a few days. Every single cell in your body depends on it. Doctors tell you to drink more water. Your parents remind you to stay hydrated. Fitness influencers carry giant water bottles everywhere they go. So water must be completely safe, right? Well, not exactly. Because in rare cases, drinking too much water can actually become dangerous. It can confuse your brain, throw your body out of balance, and in extreme situations, it can even become life-threatening. But how is that even possible? How can something so essential become dangerous? Let's find out. Water is one of the most important things your body needs. Almost 60% of your body is made of water. Your brain needs it. Your muscles need it. Your heart needs it. Even your skin depends on it. Without enough water, your body simply can't function. But here's something interesting. Just because something is good for you doesn't mean more is always better. Imagine you've just finished running on a hot summer day. You're sweating. Your mouth feels dry. You're exhausted. You grab a bottle of water. You finish it in seconds. Then you drink another. And another. You keep drinking because you think, the more water I drink, the healthier I'll be. At first, everything feels perfectly normal. You feel refreshed, hydrated, healthy. But inside your body, something completely different is happening. Your body is made of trillions of tiny cells. Think of them like tiny water balloons. Each one carefully controls how much water goes in and how much stays out. To do that, your body relies on minerals called electrolytes. One of the most important of these is sodium. Now, sodium usually gets a bad reputation. People hear the word salt and immediately think it's unhealthy. But your body actually needs sodium. Without it, your nerves couldn't send signals. Your muscles couldn't move. Your brain couldn't communicate with the rest of your body. It's one of the reasons your body works properly every single second. Now imagine drinking a huge amount of water in a very short time. All that extra water enters your bloodstream, but the amount of sodium stays exactly the same. It's like adding more and more water to a glass of juice. The flavor becomes weaker. The same thing happens to your blood. Your sodium becomes diluted. There's now too much water and not enough sodium. Doctors call this condition hyponatremia, and that's when the real trouble begins. Water naturally moves toward areas with more sodium. Since your blood now has less sodium than your cells, water starts flowing into the cells instead. Those tiny water balloons begin swelling. Most of your body's cells have room to expand, but one organ doesn't. Your brain. Your brain sits inside a hard skull. There's almost no extra space. So when brain cells begin swelling, pressure starts building inside your head. Imagine trying to blow up a balloon inside a small metal box. There's nowhere for it to go. That's exactly what's happening inside your skull. At first, the symptoms seem harmless. You might get a headache. You may feel dizzy. You could become nauseous. Some people feel confused. Others have trouble concentrating. Many people think they're simply tired or dehydrated, which makes the situation even worse. Because some people respond by drinking even more water. As the pressure inside the brain keeps increasing, the symptoms become much more serious. Walking becomes difficult. Vision becomes blurry. Muscles may start cramping. Some people begin vomiting. In severe cases, a person can have seizures, lose consciousness, slip into a coma. And without emergency treatment, it can even become life-threatening. Thankfully, this is extremely rare. Your body has an incredible defense system. Your kidneys work all day long. Every minute, they filter your blood, removing waste, balancing minerals, and getting rid of extra water. As long as you drink water at a normal pace, your kidneys can easily keep everything under control. The real danger happens when someone drinks a huge amount of water much faster than the kidneys can remove it. This usually happens during extreme endurance sports, military training, or strange internet challenges. There have even been real cases of people entering water drinking contests. They believed water couldn't possibly be dangerous. After all, it's just water. But some contestants drank several liters within a very short time. Their sodium levels dropped rapidly. Their brains began swelling. And what started as a harmless competition quickly became a medical emergency. The good news is, for most of us, this isn't something we need to worry about. Simply drink when you're thirsty. Drink a little more if you're exercising or spending time in the heat. But don't force yourself to drink enormous amounts just because someone on the internet told you to. Your body is surprisingly good at telling you what it needs. The real secret isn't drinking as much water as possible. It's drinking the right amount, because that's how your body stays balanced. And balance is something your body works incredibly hard to maintain every single second. So, can drinking too much water actually be dangerous? Yes, but only when you drink far more than your body can handle in a short period of time. For almost everyone, water is one of the healthiest things you can drink. Just remember, even the best things in life have limits. So the next time someone says, "You can never drink too much water," you'll know that's not entirely true, because sometimes even something as simple as a glass of water can become dangerous if you have too much of it. And that's what makes the human body so fascinating.